First, attach the point cloud file. You can use the New View widget to change views of this model. By entering the 3D Orbit command, you can quickly switch to the perspective view mode and get a more realistic visual effect of the model. Apply the section plane function to draw the outlines of the model. You can adjust the display setting to see the outlines of the model more clearly. You can also use the Viewport Control widget to add views to assist with the drawing. After drawing the lines, you can start drawing windows and doors. With the FlexiBlock function, you can change their shapes without creating multiple blocks. Double-click it to edit its parameters and actions. Then you can use the Quick Properties panel to modify the layer color or line type of doors and windows. Next, use the Area Table function to automatically measure the area of rooms and generate an area table. Lastly, add a drawing description using the mText function. The mText function has been enhanced by the addition of more align methods, numbering, and dynamic columns. Here, you can use the numbering function to auto-number the text. See, we have completed a floor plan using new features in ZWCAD 2024. Download it and have a try.